Hi everyone, welcome back to Creative Java Programming. In today's session, we are going to discuss about how we can install Eclipse IDE with Tomcat Server and the latest version of Java, right? So let's start the video. So first open Google Chrome browser, just type Eclipse download, right? Hit on enter. Go to the first website, that is Eclipse downloads, right? Click on that. Here you can see download packages, right? So click on download packages. Here you can see there are multiple zip files available here. Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developers. This Eclipse IDE is used for developers working with Java and web applications, right? So here we will download its zip file. So I am using Windows 64-bit. So I will click on this download Windows 64, right? So click on that. Here you can see Eclipse JEE zip file, right? So just simply click on download button, right? It will download this zip file. Here you can see thank you for download, right? So downloading is started. Downloading is started, right? So if the download does not start in a few seconds, please click here to download the link. Once you click, download will be started, right? So here you can see downloading is started. Now let's download JDK26. So simple type download JDK, hit on enter. Go to the first official website, Java downloads, and here you can see JDK 26, 25, 21 version are available. So I want JDK 26, right? I'm using Windows, right? So click on Windows button and go to 64-bit installer. Why? If you are using 64-bit installer, then download this 64-bit installer. Click on this download link and here you can see downloading is started, right? Now we will download Tomcat server. So just click Tomcat, download, hit on enter. Go to the first link, Apache Tomcat. Here you can see Tomcat version, right? So I want to download Tomcat 11, right? Simply click on Tomcat 11. Here you can see binary distributions, right? So we will download the zip file, right? So here you can see Windows zip file, right? Simply click on this link. You can see Tomcat downloading is started. How we can install the latest version of Eclipse IDE with Tomcat Server and with JDK26, right? So I have already downloaded the Eclipse IDE, Apache Tomcat and JDK26, right? So let's start the video, right? So firstly, we are going to install Eclipse IDE. So copy Eclipse IDE and move to your D drive, right? Here, press Ctrl Shift N. New folder will be created. Write Eclipse IDE 2026, right? Here paste Eclipse ID, right click and click on extract here. Now go to Eclipse, select Eclipse application, right, double click on that. Here you can see Eclipse ID 2026 is opening, right. You can move it directly, send to desktop, create shortcut, right. You can directly open from desktop. Here you can see properties. Yes. Now let's install the JDK 26, right. So double click on JDK 26 exe file, next and finish. That's it. Here you can see, click on next, finish. JDK is installed, right. Now install the Apache Tomcat server. So copy Apache Tomcat server, move to your D drive, press Ctrl Shift N, new folder, Apache Tomcat 2026, right. Paste here, right click, extract here. Now you can see Apache Tomcat is, right, extracted here. So here you can see, select a directory as workspace. So browse, go to D drive, create a new folder, Java workspace 2026, right. Select folder, click on launch. So close this welcome page, right. First we will change this theme, right. Let's change the theme color, right. So go to window, go to preferences, go to general, double click on that, go to appearance. Here you can see enable theming. Here by default dark is selected, select light, apply and close. Don't restart, apply and close. Now you can see theme is changed. So now here first we will configure Tomcat server, right. So go to server and no servers are available. Click this link to create a new server. Click on that, select Apache. Here Tomcat 11 I have installed, right. Click on next button. Now here Tomcat directory. So go to D drive. Here Apache Tomcat 2026. Select that folder, Apache Tomcat till bin, right here. Select, click on finish button. Now you can see Tomcat server at localhost stop. So select right click and start the server. Allow access. Java lang class not found exception, right. So here JDK is not configured, right. So go to window, how we will configure the JDK. and here in our Eclipse ID. So let's see. Go to window, go to preferences, type here JRE, click on install JRE. Now add JDK26. So click on add button, click on next, select JRE home, go to C drive, program files, Java. Here you can see JDK26, select folder. It is already in use. Yes, I have already configured, right? So select JDK26. If you not configured, so select add button, go to next, select JRE home, till bin, right? And you can configure it. So I have already configured in JDK26. So apply and close. Now go to servers, start. Now you can see Apache Tomcat server is started, right? Close the server, stop, right? So that's all guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.